To hyperlink in Google Slides. The process is straightforward, whether you're using a desktop or mobile device. On a desktop, start by clicking where you want to insert the link. Then select the Insert button. From there, you can add a link by clicking on the link option and pasting the desired URL. Once you've added the link, click Apply and it will be directly added to your slide. This process is simple and easy to follow, allowing you to add links to any text section you choose. The same principle applies when using a mobile device. To add a link on mobile, access your presentation, click the plus icon, and then select the link option. Choose the text you want to link. Click the Add button, and you'll be able to add a link directly. You can write your text and add the link in one step, making it easy to create hyperlinks in Google Slides, regardless of the device you're using.